Hi, my name is Carlos Mendes with Integrated Manufacturing, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate a Bosch Exact Ion tool. The items needed to calibrate a tool are a calibration unit with a fixture, batteries for the tools, a bit, either your pistol or your angle exact ion tool, an angle head if you're calibrating an angle exact ion, and the red key included with the tool. Turn on your calibration unit and make sure you have the correct units of measurement selected. For this calibration unit, you can change the units of measurement by pressing on the ENG button. For this example, I will be using inch pounds. Make sure that the max torque of the tool does not exceed the max capacity of the calibration unit, because you might break or damage the transducer. Before you start calibrating, make sure that the calibration unit is mounted or fixed on a surface. For educational purposes, I did not mount the calibration unit, but you want to ensure that the calibration unit is fixed regardless of the torque. Insert the bit by pulling on the quick change, inserting the bit, and releasing. Slide the battery in your tool and run down the tool on the calibration unit to see the current torque. In this case, the tool hit a torque of 8.65 inch-pounds. Next, look for the red slide on top of the tool. You can run the tool to spin the motor until you can see the key slot. Or you can use the key to turn the clutch until you find the key slot. Insert the red key and turn clockwise to tighten or counterclockwise to loosen the spring. You can hear a clicking sound when the spring is tightening or loosening. Tightening the spring or turning clockwise increases the torque, and loosening the spring or turning counterclockwise decreases the torque. In this case, I am trying to reach a 10.5 inch-pounds torque target. Since my tool is hitting a torque of 8.65, I am going to tighten the spring and turn clockwise to increase the torque. Run down the tool on the torque calibrator again. Keep tightening or loosening until you reach your desired torque target. Run the tool at least 10 times to ensure that the tool is hitting the correct torque. You can calibrate all of the angle exact ion models using the same method. Once you reach the torque target, you can close the red slide and start your operations. Have additional questions? Do not hesitate to reach out to us at 800-808-7168. or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com.